Here's a glimpse into the 2014 Mercedes-Benz E400 interior, showcasing its refined dashboard layout, stylish instrument cluster, and choice of luxurious materials across sedan, coupe, and hybrid variants. Dashboard and layout. Features a two-part trim elegantly spanning the soft-touch dashboard, available in burl walnut or blackish finishes. Includes the new 3-tube instrument cluster, trapezoidal head unit, newly styled air vents, and a classic analog clock between central vents. Command infotainment system. Equipped with Bluetooth hands-free, weatherband radio, CD, DVD player, SD memory slot, and a 7-inch high-resolution display controlled via the central command controller. Upgradable with the Premium 1 package, which adds navigation, reversing camera, surround sound audio, satellite radio, universal garage opener, and heated/ventilated front seats. Comfort and convenience. Standard dual-zone automatic climate control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and assorted power adjustments, steering, seats, mirrors. Features such as heated steering wheel, electrochromic rear-view mirror, keyless entry/start, remote trunk release, and trip computer available. Luxury and practical touches. Interior trim includes genuine wood or metal look inserts across instrument panel, doors, console, plus chrome accents. Optional luxury packages offer ambient lighting, power-operated heated front seats, e.g. 14-way, memory, lumbar, and active headrests. Additional amenities: folding 60/40 rear seat, center armrests with storage, rear cup holders, media interfaces, USB, iPod, optional rear climate, SD slot, telephone keypad, and in-car internet access. Space and comfort: generous front/rear dimensions, supportive power seats, luxury materials. Interior design: elegant two-tone trims, analog clock, well-integrated command system. Tech and convenience: option-rich with climate control, hands-free, optional navigation, media, and luxury add-ons. Considerations: no CarPlay/Android Auto, varying material longevity, interior feel may not meet evolving prestige.